Senior citizens are being encouraged to remain active, engaged, and purposeful as Jamaica celebrates Senior Citizens Month. The month-long activities are being held under the theme Respect, Protect, Empower, Connect. One of those activities is the National Council for Senior Citizens Annual Aging Fair. This year, it was held at the Emancipation Park in Kingston. Executive Director of the NCSC, Cassandra Morrison, tells us more.
Last year we had up to 2,000 seniors, and this year we wanted to top that. It's really and truly an event to bring all the service providers face to face with older persons so that they, could express their needs, their desires, their experiences with their products, the issues they're having or not, what's good about their products and what is not, what can be improved, and, just to make sure that older people have access to the best services that they need.
More than 50 exhibitors from government agencies and private sector pitched their tent and invited the seniors to get answers to their questions, free services, and refreshments.
Team from Southeast Regional Health Authority as well as the team from Ministry of Health and Wellness. We're offering different services so persons can get their blood pressure checked today, their GMR, which is the blood sugar, as well as their cholesterol can be checked today. And we're doing some survey just to hear from the older adults what's their take on the new logo for the program as well as the tagline for the program for older adults.
In keeping that theme this year, we are out here telling people about the services that are available so they can connect with quality caregivers so they can be cared for in the comfort of their homes. Policies are in place to ensure that they get safe care and care that meets evidence to ensure that they get the quality of care with international and regional standards while they are aging in place.
So we're actually aging in place specialists. So what we do is we do home assessments and we do recommendations for how to stay safe and make your home more accessible. Today we're handing out flyers because most people that we see, we don't get to see them again. And so we're giving out flyers in the hopes that people will go home and make their homes a little bit safer. Everything from picking up those rugs that aren't glued down or taped down that you can slip and fall on, and adding grab bars so that those grab bars can give you some support going in and out of the shower as well as getting off of the toilet. We're also talking about adding additional lighting, and if nothing else, night lights for when you get up in the middle of the night, but replacing bulbs so that the lighting is bright enough and that when you're walking around your house you can see where you're walking and you're not tripping over anything.
What do you think about this kind of event? Do you think it's an event that is needed? Do you think it's making an impact?
I'm impressed. It is making I'm very impressed by what I see here, and it's something that moving forward we'd like to be a part of.
You think we're doing well as a country in terms of serving new persons who have worked to make the nation better?
Those who can afford it, because most of the things that the aged need cost, and not many people can afford it. And some people don't know either, even if they could go to the public places that offer the care. They are either packed and they have to wait for long hours, and some of them really don't have support. So our aging population, I'm not satisfied with it.
Okay, but something like this though helps, you think?
Of course it does help.